Today's welcome guest of our product regret purchase video is, and she landed on Nykaa.com and sorry, Purple. Okay, please comment down in the please comment down. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You all are watching Mumbai Che Muskan. Alright guys, so this is my very first product regret purchase video, and this is the very first product regret video on my channel. So far I have not came across such a worst product purchase in my life yet, but this is the very first product that I'm going to review today on the channel. And today's welcome guest of our product regret purchase video is San Botanica Pro Keratin Argan Oil Shampoo. Clap! This product is a very special product to me, and I must say कि इस वीडियो में आपको पूरी डिटेल मिलने वाली है. So before we start the video, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell, because I make travel, lifestyle tips and tricks and store to related videos. So recently guys, my mother bought a shampoo. Okay, she had recently treated her hair with smoothing. She needed a very good salon finish, some smoothing shampoos for her hair, and actually during her entire smoothing treatment she has faced a little damage. Okay, so she damaged the hair of my mom. तो मेरी मम्मा को एक बहुत अच्छा शैम्पू चाहिए था to get out of that damage. So she landed on purple.com. अगर आपने मेरा Purple haul का वीडियो नहीं देखा है, I've started shopping on Purple a lot more now, because obviously there are more exciting prices and offers always running on purple.com. If you haven't checked out my previous videos on purple.com, there was this amazing offer they were having, so check out that video. The link is in the description box. So my mother purchased this shampoo, which is from San Botanica Scientifically Natural Pro Keratin and Argan Oil Shampoo, and they have mentioned it like smooth therapy. All right, so mama got this. Okay, क्योंकि उनके hair इतने ज़्यादा damage हो गए थे, she needed something protein for her hair, so she got this Pro Keratin Argan Oil Shampoo. Again, she also got conditioner along with this combo pack था ये. She purchased this too. She basically purchased this product for the hair repair, right? अब ममा ने product को use किया. The very first time she used it, she told me, okay, this product had did more hell to my hairs. And I was like, this क्योंकि मेरी मम्मा ने ये प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ इसलिए परचेज किया था बिकॉज दे हैड सच पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज़ ऑन द चैनल, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, इतने अच्छे. माय मदर वाज लाइक ओके, इतने अच्छा रिव्यू है, वी कैन गो विद दैट. लाइक 10 out of there were none there कि वहाँ पर कोई नेगेटिव कमेंट्स थे. Like everyone was like, this product is awesome, you can go for it, really worth it, and blah blah blah. Actually my mother was about to purchase the L'Oreal Professional Hair Series, but she landed up buying this because of the positive reviews, and she was like, okay, let's give the chance to the another brand. So as soon as she used this shampoo, she told me my hairs have become even worse, क्योंकि मैंने मम्मा के hairs देखे. I touched it, it was so rough, and I was like confused हो गई थी मैं कि this is due to the shampoo or due to the earlier damage that has already been there. I was unable to find any difference. She had used both the shampoo plus conditioner and she did not find any result, right? Okay, so I gave a thought कि चलो मम्मा पे अभी ये काम नहीं करा है, तो I gave a try. Like I tried once कैसे मेरे बालों पर वो, क्योंकि इट वॉज द ब्रांड क्लेम्स दैट अगर आपके कलर ट्रीटेड हेयर है तो आप कलर ट्रीटेड हेयर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आपके नेचुरल हेयर है, ट्रीटेड नहीं है आप तो भी आप ये शैम्पू यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो आई जस्ट गिव अ ट्राई. एंड इफ़ यू आर अबाउट टू परचेज दिस प्रोडक्ट, और इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग फॉर योर कलर ट्रीटेड और डैमेज हेयर, please do listen to this video. You are going to get the in-depth review of this shampoo plus conditioner. So let's get started here. Alright, so I started using this shampoo. ठीक है, मैंने इसको first time use किया, and I also shampoo करने के बाद I followed the conditioner routine as well. So I went with the conditioner as well. Now first of all, let me tell you what the brand claims. I have also jotted down some points, okay, जो मैंने देखा था वेबसाइट पर भी कि क्या चीज़ें ब्रांड ने क्लेम करी है. So I'm going to describe you first of all that, then I'm going to review my point of view, okay, how it actually worked for me. First of all, the brand claims that this is anti-frizz. It perfectly detangles your hairs. That means your hairs are going to be smooth, right? Then it gives you a lot of shine on your hairs. That also this brand claims. Then it's going to strengthen the roots. As usual, like keratin shampoo है, protein मिलेगा तो roots तो strengthen होंगे, right? Then also they claim that it's going to give you a lot of hydration in your hairs. It's going to give your hairs that moisturized look, nourished look, right? Then they say that you can get rid of frizz, okay, पूरे frizz free हो जाएंगे आपके बाल. It's going to be smooth, shiny, and it is also going to lock in the moisture. So too many things this brand is claiming. So first of all, जब मैंने इसको use किया, as soon as I dried my hairs, I was looking at my mirror. मैंने mirror में देखा, and I can't even describe you guys the wonder, the magic that this shampoo did to my hairs was like, I was shocked. I have used thousands of products, guys, okay. I have used so many products and brands, like I have changed so many products. इतना डैमेज किसी भी शैम्पू ने मेरे बालों को अब तक नहीं किया है. My hair was so rough, like I was feeling कि मैं किसी धूल मिट्टी में एकदम मेरे बाल जैसे when you do not wash your hairs for 2-3 days and your hairs have a lot of dust in it, इतने ज़्यादा rough लग रहे थे मेरे बाल. Again, second point of this shampoo I will say कि जो frizz था, the brand claims that their hairs are going to be frizz free. The frizz just got double, triple, and how many times more I don't know. उतनी ज़्यादा मेरे बाल frizz हो गए थे, rough हो गए थे, too much rough. Like if you just like as you can see right now, I have took immense care for my hairs as soon as I use this product. Right now they are looking quite good. Otherwise they were looking so rough. I wish I would have really took that clip. So rough लग रहे थे. Again they were looking so unnourished, एकदम unnourished से लग रहे थे. Again जो खुशबू है इस product की, this product smells hell. This product smells hell, guys. Trust me, this product smells hell. Even the conditioner, even the shampoo, both smells hell. Like मैंने अपने लाइफ में इतना like when we imagine like एक प्रीमियम रेंज के शैम्पू हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, it's going to smell like a little fairy princess, you're going to smell like a donut, you feel that, but it did so opposite. Like I really tell you, Ayurvedic shampoo I have used, they do smell a bit odd, because they are Ayurvedic. This not being an Ayurvedic shampoo smells so offbeat, so hell. Like I was like disgust. एक तो पहली बात तो अगर मैं यही सोच रही थी, अगर मैंने सिर्फ शैम्पू की स्मेल ले ली होती ना, मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया होता. But this product is a big no. Big no, guys. If you are about to purchase this Sen Botanica Pro Keratin Argan Oil Shampoo, like look at the name, is so luxurious. How you will not fall in this trap and the positive reviews, right? So this combo actually costed me rupees 645, alright, and this combo actually is for rupees 700, and I can't even tell you guys, this product is on trending on purple.com, and I can't even just imagine, I don't know कितने लोगों ने खरीदा है, and I don't know how they are even using. Please guys, if you still trust the product, or you are already using it, or you are about to purchase it, or you want to give it a try to this product, you can comment down below why you want this product, why you love this product, and I will reach out to you, and I am giving away, this will be a giveaway for this shampoo and conditioner from Scent Botanica. This is a full size product, and again I have barely used it, like once my mother and once me, so it's not even like quarter भी use नहीं हुआ है. So I'm giving away this product. So if you really love this, also I can give away this product. You can comment down below, and this product can be yours. I don't know, it can work for you. I can't guarantee. I don't know. इतने positive reviews थे website पर. I was like, पता नहीं कैसे. But if it's work for you, if it can work for you, you can comment down below, and I'll be giving away this product. And guys, again, this is my personal opinion. This product did not suit me, and what works for me, I know it will work for you or not. What did not work for me, I hope it can work for you. So yeah, again, this product has no return policy on purplle.com. मैं अगर रिटर्न कर सकती थी इसे तो मैं रिटर्न कर देती थी, but they do not have any return policy on their website. So hence I want to give away this product. Working for you, I'll be more super glad about it. I personally feel that it's a luxury. It's a little towards the high-end shampoo, right? So I really have some high set of expectations, and what the brand claims, again, I became like, okay, it might, you know, fulfill all the things, but really the damage it provided to my hair just broke my heart. I have never came across such shampoos in my life. Like, I have used Patanjali, Dove, and you know, Pantene, Sunsilk, like Clinic Shoulder, Head and Shoulder, Clinic Plus, Head and Shoulder, name and whatnot I have used previously, but this was the worst I have came across ever. I really hope, guys, I really hope that this product review is really going to help you. And if you are actually looking for some, especially for the keratin smoothing pro keratin wale shampoo, then please definitely do not buy this. Highly recommended. But if you want, it's a personal decision. You can, like, if you really feel that okay, that positive reviews on the website ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहे होंगे सब. My personal experience, and I'm truly honest to my audience, I cannot stress enough that this product is a really big regret and a big no. Alright guys, this is it, and this is all my personal experience that I have shared with you for the Scent Botanica shampoo, and I really hope this helped you a lot. And thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you're sharing this video with your friends who are really looking for some keratin shampoo, or have recently got their hair damaged and they are about to purchase you know, some pro keratin or smoothing shampoos. Please share this video with them. This will be really helpful to them. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribing to this channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.